Top 10 most highest mountain in the world. 1. Mount Everest, standing at an impressive 29,029 feet. 2. K2 with a height of 28,251 feet. 3. Kanchenjunga, at 28,169 feet. Located on the border between Nepal and India. 4. Lhotse, 27,940 feet. Located in the Everest region of the Himalayas. 5. Makalu, 27,838 feet. 6. Cho-Oyu, 26,864 feet. 7. Dhalagiri, standing at 26,795 feet. 8. Manaslu, with a height of 26,781 feet. 9. Nanga Parbat, at 26,660 feet. Located in the western Himalayas in Pakistan. 10. Annapurna, standing at 26,545 feet. Please share your comments, hit like and subscribe Short Media.